Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to study composite figures. Before knowing the area of composite figures, first of all we need to know the meaning of this word. Composite figure means the figure is made up of two or more simpler figures, such as triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, as you see in the unlock problem, he asked me to find the area of the interway. To find the area, as you see, we have more than one figure inside the whole figure. As you see, we have here this one as a rectangle, we have another rectangle, we have a smaller square, and we have here triangle and another triangle. First of all, we are going to find the first step is find the area of each triangle. You know, before the area of rectangle. The area of rectangle is length by width. The length here is 10 and the width here is 4. So we are going to multiply 10 by 4. As you see, 10 and 4. 10 by 4 here is 40. So we are going to multiply it by 2 because we have a repeated rectangle here. So we have 2 multiply 40. So the whole one is 80. After that, we have the two small triangles. This is the triangle that we need. We have the area of the triangle is half base multiply height, half 4 multiply 4, because the height and the base are the same length. So half 4 is 2, 2 multiply 4 is 8. Then we have two triangles, that means 2 multiply 8, it gives me what? 16. Then we have the square. The area of square is side length multiply itself, or s exponent 2. So we're going to make 4 exponent 2, it gives me 16. After we found all these areas, so we are going to collect or find the sum of them. 80 plus 16 plus 16, it gives me what? Excellent, 112. Excellent. This is the area of the whole figure using the composite figure. We found the area of each one, then we collect or we plus them together. Moving to example 1. Find the area of the composite figure shown. What do you think about this figure, this whole figure? So we have more than one figure. This is triangle, this is square, this trapezoid. Excellent. So we have 3 shapes or 3 figures. First one is area of triangle, second square, third trapezoid. We studied so that we have more than one lesson in this lesson here. Area of triangle is half base multiply height. What do you think about this one? This is the height. What do you think about the square? All side length are equal, so that this height is equal to 12. So half 16 multiplied 12. Excellent. Half 16 is 8. 8 multiplied 12 is 96. Excellent, student. After that, we have area of a square. The square is side length multiply itself, or side length square, or exponent 2. 12 multiply 12. Yes, I hear you. Yes, excellent. 144. Thank you. After that, we have area of trapezoid. Half b1 plus b2 multiply height. What do you think about this one? b2 is equal, excellent, to 12. Why? Because we have all sides in the square are equal in length. So we have b1 is 9, b2 is 12, and the height, the join between them, is 6. 9 and 12 is 21. Excellent. Half 21 or half 6? Excellent, I can hear you. Half 6 is 3. 3 multiplied 21 is 63. Excellent, student. After that, what should I do? We found the area of triangle, area of square, area of trapezoid. That's all? No. Still, we have to find the whole figure. So we are going to plus them together. 96 plus 144 plus 63. It gives me what? Yes, excellent, 303. Thank you. After that, we are going to move to example 2. What do you think about this one? Yes. Find the area of the shaded region. Yes. Do not worry about this type of question. We have here a rectangle and a square inside it, but he asked me about to find the shaded one instead of the blue one. So we are going to find the area of triangle is length by width 6 multiply 1. Yes. What do you think about this one? Is 1 feet. Yes. Can we multiply inch by feet? No. So 1 foot, equals how many inches? Yes, I can hear you. Yes, is 12 inches. Excellent. Thank you. So we are going to replace this 1 feet by, or 1 foot by 12. So 6 multiply 12, it gives me what? 72. Excellent. We found that the area of rectangle is 72. Now we need to find the area of a square. Area of a square, side length multiply itself, 3 exponent 2 is 9. After that, we are going to collect them together. No, he asked me find the area of the shaded part. We have the shaded here, all the rectangle except the area of square. So we are going to subtract 72 minus 9. It gives me what? 63. So the area of this shaded part is 63. Excellent, student. After that, we are going to move to share and show. Number 1, find the area of the figure. What do you think about this figure? We have 2 triangles and 1 triangle. Sorry, 2 rectangles and 1 triangle. So that here, what do you have about this one? So we are going to find the area of the rectangle and we are going to multiply it by 2 because we have a repeated rectangle. Excellent. The area of rectangle is length by width, so half. So here we have 5 multiply 5 by 10. It gives me what? Excellent, 50. So we're going to multiply by 2 equals 100. After that, what do you think about the length of the base of the triangle? Here we have each two opposite sides are equal in length. So this one is 5, this one is 5, and between them we have 3. So we have here 5 plus 5 plus 3, it gives me what? 13. Excellent. After that, we have to find the area of triangle is half, multiply the base is 13, multiply the height is 4, half 4 is 2, multiply 13 is 26. Excellent. That's all? No, we have to find both the 2 rectangles and the triangles together. Finding the sum between them gives me 100 plus 26. It gives me 126. Thank you. Find the area of the figure. We have 2. What do you think about this composite figure? We have here what and here we have what? Excellent. Here we have parallelogram and here we have trapezoid. Excellent. So we have to separate between them to find the first one is area of parallelogram is base multiply height. The base here is 11, multiply the height is 8.2. Imagine we do not have the decimal point. 8 multiply 82 multiply 11. 1 multiply 8 1 multiplied 2 is 2, 1 multiplied 8 is 8, put 0, 1 multiplied 2, and here 8. It gives me 902. So this is 902. Area of trapezoid is half b1 plus b2 multiply height. Half b1 and b2, as you see, 11 and 8, it gives me 19. Multiply the height that is between them is 4. Half 4 is 2. 2 multiply 19 is 38. That's all? No. So we have here to add them together, 902 here. We forget to put the decimal point. 902, but it's 90.2 plus 38. It gives me 128.2 millimeter square. Okay. After that we have number 3. As you see, we have 2 triangles and a rectangle. First of all, area of rectangle is length by width. The length here is 12 multiply, the height here is 7. 7 multiply 12 is 84. So here 84. Excellent. After that, area of triangle, half base multiply height. The base here, yes. What do you think about the base of the triangle? The base of the triangle, this one is 6, and here we have, this is in the middle of the triangle. So here he asked me about the area of triangle. Before knowing the area of triangle, we need to find the base. The base here is 12, so half 12 multiply 5 gives me half 60, or half 12 is 6. 6 multiply 5 is 30. We are going to multiply it by 2 because we have 2 triangles. It gives me 60. That's all? No. We are going to add them together. 84 plus 60, it gives me 144. So the whole area, it gives me 144. Thank you. And now with on your own number 4, find the area of the figure. As you see, the figure consists of a small triangle, big triangle, and a rectangle. So we are going to find the area of each one alone, then we are going to find the sum between them together. The area of this rectangle is 6 multiply 16. It gives me with 6 multiply 6, 36, and carry out 3. 1 multiply 6, 6 gives me 96. This one is half base multiply height. The height here is 6 because each two opposite sides are equal. So half multiply 8 multiply 6. It gives me half 84 multiply 6, 24. So this triangle is 24. Still we have the big triangle. The big triangle, this base is 16. So half multiply 16 multiply 8. Half 16 is 8 multiply 8, 64. After that, we are going to add them together. It gives me 96 plus 64 plus 24. It gives me 184. Excellent. Now, finding the area of the shaded region. As you see, we have the big one is a rectangle and the small one is also rectangle, but we have to subtract them together. The big one we are going to multiply 12.75 multiplied by 8.8. Imagine we do not have the decimal point. 8 multiply 5, 40, 0 and carry up 4, 8 multiply 7, 56, plus 4, 60 and carry up 6, 2 multiply 8, 16, 2 multiply 8, 16, plus 6 is 22, 2 and carry up 2, 1 multiply 8, 8 plus 2, this 8, plus 2, 10, put 0, 5 multiply 8 is 40, 0 and carry up 4, 7 multiplied 56 plus 4, 60, 0 and carry up 6, 2 multiply 8, 16 plus 6, 22 and carry up 2, 2 and 1 multiply 8, here 10. So we are going to 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 1. The decimal point after how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 112.2. This is the big triangle, the big, sorry, rectangle. So now we have to find the area of the small rectangle. The area of a small rectangle, as you see, we have this one. So here we found that it's 112.2. Okay, 112.2. Now we need to know the area of small rectangle. The area of a small rectangle, we have here 2.5, 2.5. So the rest, this side is, here we have 5. So we are going to subtract 8.8 minus 5. It gives me 3.3, 3.8. So here we are going to multiply 3.8 by, sorry, 3.8 by 4.25, or we do the inverse here, 100. So here 100 again. We need to find this one. We multiplied as 122.2, and here we have to multiply 4.25 multiply by 3.8. Imagine we do not have the decimal point. 8 multiply 4 is 40, 0 and carry up 4. 8 multiply 16, 0 and carry up 2. 8 multiply 4, 32 plus 2, 34. Put 0. 3 multiply 5, 15 and carry up 1. 3 multiply 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 multiply 4 is 12. Plus them together, it gives me decimal point after 2 digits. So here, what do you think about this one? Here we have 122 plus 100. We have here minus. Yes, excellent. This one. So here he asked me to find the area of the shaded. Now we are going to subtract them together. It's 16. Sorry, here 16.15, and we need to subtract them together. Put 0 here, it's 10, and this one is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Decimal point, put it down. Here 12 minus 6 is 6, and here 10 minus 1 is 9. Here this one is 12, and this one is 0. So we have 12 minus 6 is 6, and 10 minus 1. So the area of this shaded part is 96.05. Okay. After that, we have this problem solving. Here, he asked me here, Marco made the banner shown at the right. What is the area of the yellow shape? Here he asked me about this one, the yellow shape. Okay. As you see, he asked me about some questions we have. Explain how you could find the area of the yellow shape if you know the areas of the green and the red shapes and the area of the entire banner. As you see, we can get the whole banner. The whole banner here, we are going to get the entire banner. Then we are going to subtract the whole banner minus the red one and the green one together. This one, the whole banner, or the entire banner. Then we are going to subtract from the red one and the green one to get the yellow. After that, he asked me what is the area of the entire banner. The area of the entire banner, as you see, we have, this is the rectangle, it's 30 multiply 48, length by width. How many zeros we have? 0, 1. We have to multiply 3 by 8, 24, and carry up to 3 multiply 4, 12, plus 2, 14. So it's 1,440. What is the area of the red shape? The area of the red shape is a triangle. So we have half, the base here is 30, multiply the height is 24. Half 24 is 12. 12 multiply 30. Here we have, this one is 12. Multiply 30, put down 0. 3 multiply 12 is 36. After that, he asked me about the yellow shape. So what equation can you write to find A, the area of the yellow shape? We have more than one way to find. I will tell you another method to solve. This is the base of the yellow, right? It's 30. Excellent. And we have here a height of the red, and we can continue till you reach the height of the yellow one, right? So here we have what? The height is the same side of the rectangle. So we can find it as half multiply 30 multiply 48. Excellent. Half 30 is 15. 48 multiply 15. Excellent. So here we have what? Here we are going to multiply 48 by 15. 48 multiply 15. Here 48 multiply 15, it gives me what? Excellent. It gives me 5 multiply 8, 40, and carry out 4. 5 multiply 4, 20, plus 4, 24. Put down 0. 1 multiply 8, 8. 1 multiply 4, 4. Gives me here 720. But this is the whole triangle, the yellow triangle. Okay, but he asked me about the yellow one. Here we have the shaded with yellow, the colored with yellow. So we are going to subtract from this one is the red one. Excellent. 720 minus 360. It gives me also how many? 360. So the yellow shaded part is 360. That's all in our lesson today. Thank you for all, and see you soon.